welcome back to Just Until Next channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video, ring that bell. My screen is right here. Go for me. Today we're going to be making a slime smoothie because this slime is getting unstretchy and this slime is stretchy. So I decided I'm gonna add them together and make a slime smoothie. But you guys, before I do this, you guys make sure you comment down below what color do you think this slime is gonna turn. Maybe I think this might turn blue. So you guys comment, and I will keep them in different containers for a little bit for now. I might put it in this container. But guys, let's get it started with that slime smoothie. Woo! Okay, so now that all that's done, we're gonna make the slime smoothie. I really don't want to, but we're going to do it anyway. So I'm gonna take some bits, roll them up, and get ready to mix some. We're gonna make these tiny, these blue ones tiny, because they're really small. Like this ain't a big slime. I'll put this one right here because I'm going to do another one of this. I bet this is going to be a real pretty slime. I really don't want to add these, but it's literally kind of too late now. We can't add them. Stop adding them.
You know you want to add them together.
But it's going well. It's really getting there. I don't know because it's big, small. So that's a little thing I hate about it. So we just gotta connect them together and make it straight. Here for the last bit, we're just gonna do my own part. And I'm up. Are you ready to mix? 3, 2, 1. Bye. Guys, actually this slime does not it's gonna turn blue because the blue is not taking over. Seriously, blue is doing horrible right now.
Right now, you said right now.
But it looks so cool. I love this color, especially with all that gold glitter and the gems. You can barely see the color of the gems, but you can barely even tell there's gems in the slime. Sorry guys. But at least I'll have a big slime. Let's see if it's stretchy at all. Okay, it's pretty stretchy. The slime didn't ruin it. It's pretty good. Let's hear that crackle. Ready, set. Oh, that was beautiful. But we're gonna keep mixing because it's not at its full color.
Put myself in bed. No, I was in bed. What's up to you?
Okay guys, look at the color of it right now. Look at it. It's pretty. Really pretty. And it's really stretchy. It's kind of like a green color, but I love the color. Wait, hold on. If I take it out of the flashlight. Yeah, it's actually really pretty. It's kind of like a gray color. But it's fine. It's not about the color. It's about the glitter. That's a lie. But fine. It doesn't matter. But it's actually really pretty to me. I like it. Okay, we're about to do a drizzle for you guys. Woo! That is a cool drizzle. Okay, let's see if we can make a swirl with the drizzle. Okay, ready? I'm probably not gonna be able to do that, but like, we're gonna try. Here it comes. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. The reason it was horrible because all the big stuff, all the big pieces of the slime, went first, so it really wasn't that good. And I love the texture of it. It's really pretty to me. I like the color. And they said they're just, they told some lies.
No.
So we're just gonna keep going with this. Like, this is a really pretty color. Like, they keep saying it's ugly, like it's pretty. And it's beautiful. If it's not pretty, then it's beautiful.
It's not beautiful, it's hideous.
If it's not beautiful, then it's perfect.
It's not beautiful, perfect, good, pretty, cute.
Then it's terrific.
It's not nothing. Hideous. Ugly. Horrible.
Oops, guys.
Yeah.
But it's about to drizzle down on you. Woo! Oh my gosh, you guys absolutely thought I was about to drizzle on you. Yeah. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this slime smoothie video. And you guys comment if you think this slime is pretty or if it's not. But I'll see you in my next video, and goodbye.